In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the triangle chart pattern, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it inside Tradingview and how to add it to your chart so you can start using it in your technical analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and that you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This can be anything you like: a stock, a forex pair, crypto, or an index. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the price candles, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually located near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on indicators to open the indicators and strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any tool or indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click into the search bar and type the word triangle. As you start typing, Tradingview will automatically filter the results below to show anything related to triangles. In the list of results, look for the option labeled Triangle Chart Pattern. This is the tool we're going to add to the chart. Once you've found it, simply click on Triangle Chart Pattern. As soon as you do, Tradingview will apply that tool to your chart and you'll be able to start drawing or detecting triangle formations on your price action. After adding it, take a moment to zoom in and out of your chart and see how the pattern tool works with your current setup. You can also adjust your time frames from shorter intraday charts to longer daily or weekly charts to see where triangles might be forming. If you want to customize the appearance, you can open the settings for the tool and tweak colors or line styles so they match the rest of your chart layout. If you're serious about charting and want access to more advanced tools, additional alerts, and a smoother overall experience, check out the affiliate link in the description for Tradingview Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you a more powerful platform to work with as you analyze triangle patterns and other chart formations. That's all it takes to quickly add the triangle chart pattern in Tradingview. Follow these steps, practice spotting triangles in different markets, and you'll get more comfortable using this pattern as part of your trading toolkit.